Hello everyone, it's Jean. I'm so glad you stopped by today. I have finished this beautiful tall and skinny journal, and it has a bird, kind of a French theme to it, and it just turned out so beautiful. I'm in love with this kit, and I'm going to link down below where I got it. But it's going to be a little challenging to fit all this into the camera because it is so tall. And it has a closure of a piece of ribbon or a seam binding ribbon there. And there are two pockets. There is a pocket here on the side. And then there is this lovely tag that goes inside a top pocket. So it has two pockets there. A vintage button with a little bit of a charm, a feather charm down there. And this is a metal nameplate. And you can take this out and put your own words down there. But I just happen to have the word journal written there. And here is the back. Okay, the colors I tried to highlight in here is this lovely blue turquoisey type of color inside the journal, and I'm going to have to probably go up and down with these pages so you can see the full effect. Here is a tuck spot with a couple of lovely cards. This one here I got from Victoria Designs, but most of everything in here is from the shop I list down below. And I don't want to say the name because I can't remember it exactly, and I don't want to mess it up. This is really beautiful. Here's a flip up tag with some cloth and lace, and I've done some sewing around some of the ephemera here. Down this page, I've sewed on some fabric on the side. Makes it really pretty when it kind of sticks out. There's tea stain paper in here and digital paper. Here I made a flip out with a little journaling card up there, and it flips out, and inside is a window envelope with a cute little tag and a little bird peeking out. And here on the side is another tag. And this is one of the, in my last video I did a craft along, and I kind of showed how I constructed that. And here is another 2 pages. Now this is an idea that I'm enjoying, that I think I'm probably going to start doing this more often. I've got 2 corner, what are they called? Anyways, they're in the corner, like 2 corner pockets. I guess what you would call it. And I've sewn around, and I've created this very large journal tag or space. So with fabric on it that just slips in like so. And this really does increase your writing space in a journal, which is really great. And yet it's very pretty, and you can see the card and everything. This is some vintage music paper. And there's another page there. And try to see everything. Here's some vintage graph paper as a flip out. And I have inside here cute little card, nest and eggs, sewn around the outside of that. Here is some tracing paper that I printed this really lovely blue turquoisey pattern on. Here is the sheet there. I have a belly band on this page with a couple of cards tucked inside here. The nice thing about a tall and skinny journal is that you can really make large and long journaling tags and cards. I have an owl charm in the middle. I like to put those in my journal. And here is a flip up with some cloth as the hinge. And there's some journaling opportunities there, as well as down here some really lovely ephemera. I've sewn around the pocket there. Here is that. You can write on this tracing paper, especially with either a gel pen or a pencil. And here is another flip out and another tag. stuck right inside there. Okay. A tag clipped here on the side, a little bit of lace, just to decorate it up a bit. Thought this is really lovely. And this is the page here. Some more music paper. And here is that page. I'll make sure I give you a good look there. Here's another one of those tuck-ins. I put in some fabric just on the side like so. Here's a notebook that is attached to the page. It flips up with a piece of cloth as the hinge. And then you have these papers here. And this is the other thing in my video that I did in my craft along to show how I made that, in case you're interested. And here's a tuck spot with a couple. I love these little owls. They're so sweet. A couple of more cards and tags. More cloth sewn here on the side. I believe this is, yeah, it's got music on it, printed on the fabric. Here is that beautiful blue color. Really love the color schemes in here. There's a couple of cards, journaling cards, a little teapot. How sweet. And this little pocket. Oh, really like this. And then we have this page here. We have another flip out with a journaling card stuck in the window and one stuck here in the side. Trying to cover up that shiny window. It kind of messes up with my lighting. And inside this pocket, I have included an envelope that I've not glued shut in case you wanted to write something on the inside there. And I just stuck it in there. You can also fill the envelope with something important as well. And then we come to the last page. I'm going to include in this journal an envelope full of little pieces of ephemera, some words, some bird-related words inside here, like so. I'll just try to get, I got a couple of tags in here too that are kind of snug in there. Yeah, so just some little birdie phrases like, and little pieces of ephemera that you can use to glue on your pages as you journal on them. So that'll be included as well. So thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe so that you can follow the next project that I work on. And if you only want to follow me for the journal flip throughs, that's great. I also do some craft alongs and some tutorials. So yeah, I hope to see you soon, and we will talk to you again. Bye.